Hi everyone! Curious of how St. Andrew residences look like? This resort-inspired community is located right next to Naga City's growing business hub. This exclusive subdivision has low density and has amazing amenities. Come with me for an exclusive quick tour in the country club taking shape. It has a huge badminton court, a covered basketball court. They also have function rooms and fitness center. They also have swimming pools for kids, adults, and also a lap pool. And of course, a playground for the kids. If you are interested to buy a lot, just message their FB page, St. Andrew Residences. Until our next Naga Infra update! Bye!